Welcome to Su-Srujan Computer Education. Have you ever done this? Writing in Microsoft Word, listening to music, browsing the internet, all at the same time. But how does your computer handle so many tasks together? Let's understand how multitasking works in a computer. Your computer does not actually do everything at the same exact time. Instead, the CPU works very fast and switches between tasks, processes each task for a tiny moment. This happens so quickly that it feels like everything is running together. To manage multitasking, the system uses RAM, stores active programs, task scheduling, decides which tasks run fast. The operating system manages this process and gives time to each task efficiently. So remember, first CPU switching, then RAM, then smart operating system. Together make multitasking possible. At Su-Srujan Computer Education, we teach students how computers work in real life because understanding technology makes learning smarter.